when you go out to play. You run, jump, skip, etc. Sometimes you see an insect crawling in a nook or corner of your home. In simple terms, you say they are moving. But have you ever wondered what is movement? Movement is the change of position of a certain body part of an organism. But scientifically, they are performing locomotion. Now, what is locomotion? Locomotion is when an organism changes its whole position using body parts like limbs. Living organisms perform both movement and locomotion. All locomotion is movement, but all movements are not locomotion. Let us delve deeper into the movement and locomotion of different animals. Earthworms. Earthworms are invertebrate animals. It means that they do not have a backbone or vertebral column like other animals. They do not have bones either. Their body shape is maintained by a fluid present within their body. It acts like a skeleton. Such a skeleton is known as a liquid skeleton. An earthworm has many bristles on the under surface of its body, which are known as seta. These bristles are connected to their muscles. Their body has two types of muscles, longitudinal muscles and circular muscles, which helps them to get a firm grip on the ground. First, the earthworm fixes the rear end of its body to the ground with the help of seta and extends the front end. Then it extends the rear end and fixes the front end of their body with the help of seta. Then it shortens its body and pulls the rear end up. These movements are repeated and help the earthworm move forward. Snails. Snails have a shell made of calcium carbonate, which the snail carries on its back. That shell is the exoskeleton of the snail, as it is present on the outer surface of the snail's body. However, as the shell is a single unit, it does not facilitate the movement of the snail. Snails have a small muscular foot that produces a slimy substance called mucus. Whenever a snail needs to move, its foot comes out of the shell, secretes mucus, and produces a series of wave like movements that help the animal to move forward. The shell is dragged along with it. The body of a snail is very delicate, and whenever it senses danger, it hides its body inside the shell. Cockroaches. Cockroaches can walk, run, climb, and fly reasonable enough to give you unexpected shocks. Like any other insect, they have three pairs of legs, which means six legs in total. These help in walking, running, and climbing. They also have a hard exoskeleton. This exoskeleton is jointed and has muscles attached to it. It is made up of a tough yet light material known as chitin. The jointed or segmented exoskeleton allows movement. Cockroaches also have a pair of wings attached to their breast muscles. The cockroaches have distinct muscles, those near the legs for walking, and breast muscles to move the wings when they need to fly. Fishes. The head and tail of a fish are smaller than the middle portion of the body. That is, the body tapers at both ends. Such an orientation is known as streamlined. This shape helps to reduce friction in the water while swimming and also helps the fish to cut through the water. The skeleton of the fish is attached to strong muscles which create wave like movements of the body to push the fish forward. The paired or unpaired fins maintain the body balance and provide direction while swimming. They also have a special structure known as the swim bladder, which helps the fish move up and down in the water. When a fish swims, the front part curves to one side while the tail bends in the opposite direction. In the next move, very quickly, the front part curves to the opposite side and the tail part also changes its position to the other side. A series of such jerky movements push the fish forward. The tail fin controls and aids this movement.